important lecture, and that very lecture is related to your practical experience. This very thing is your presentation. Presentation either in school, in colleges, in universities, or on your official level. Presentation is a very difficult or complicated thing for those who don't know how to present their topic or how to present whatever they are speaking, or the problem he or she is discussing in front of the audiences is complicated for those who don't know how to give a presentation. But it is very relaxing, the thing full of enjoyment, the very enthusiastic thing for those who know the real meaning of presentation, who know that how they have present their topic in front of their audiences or their listeners. So the very difficult thing, how can we tackle, how can we deal with this problem, how can we give a successful presentation without any hesitation. First of all, shun your shyness. Shun your weakness that I can't do. The word impossible in itself says that I am possible. Nothing is impossible in this world. You have to use your mind. You should be confident. You have a very positive body language, so you can achieve whatever you want. Okay? Now in presentation, the very first thing is your confidence level, that whenever the very first step you are taking is introduction. Now this very thing is introduction, and your introduction, your own self introduction. Okay, first of all, you should be quite confident. You have a good voice quality to deliver your presentation. You must be slow. You are not in hurry mood, कि कोई गाड़ी नहीं छूट रही है. जो बोलना है बहुत आराम से बोले ताकि सबको आपकी बात समझ आए. Okay, so you should and you must speak slow. Don't use abbreviations. कोई abbreviation use करने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको यहाँ पे. Use as simple language as you speak, either, or that simple language which is not unfamiliar for those who are listening to you. Okay, so your introduction, the very first thing, it must be, good morning everyone. For those who don't know me, my name is Ali, Sarish, Mavish, whatever name you have. Okay, your first sentence or the statement or the introductory or the starting line should be that good morning everyone. For those who don't know me, I am such. My name is that. Okay, this one is your first introductory line. Then you say, and I work here in the marketing department for the last 4 years. Okay, this one is your introduction. Either you say that, hello, I see some new faces and I will introduce myself first. I am Ali, Sarish, Mavish, whatever name you have, from our quality control program or our digital marketing. Okay. So in introduction, you are you are saying the greeting words to everyone, and after that you are introducing yourself with your name, and you are telling about your work there as well, that in which department you are related to, and which thing you are doing. So this one was the very first thing was your introduction. Now our second thing is introduce your topic. That which topic you are discussing today, which problems you are discussing today, which policies you are introducing today, and whenever you are discussing any topic, you are further going on towards the topic, you must keep in your mind that these policies, either they are good for companies, you should keep in your mind that first you have to grab the attention of your listeners. For example, if you are saying that today I am going to talk about our new HR policies and their effect on you. So the listeners say, oh my god, the new policies are introducing and how can they affect me? So after that you can say that how many of you are working in this very company without coming in limelight, or your work is hidden, you are not getting that very attention which is your right. Mostly the people relate to that. They get their attention on high alert that yes, the person is talking about me. Now what the HR policies are doing the person like me? So you have to say, today we are discussing those HR policies which brings you in limelight. Your works will come in front all of you and you will get whatever you deserve. Means good policies for those who are hiddenly talented and bad policies for those जो दूसरों की मेहनत पर खुद काम करते हैं. So you are discussing your topic, you are introducing your topic in such a way that can grab the attention of the listeners, because whenever you are giving presentation, लोगों के लिए उसमें इंटरेस्ट डेवलप करना किसी भी स्पीकर का सबसे मुश्किल काम है. Because in our society we have very few amount of people who are good listeners, but we have lots of people who are good speakers. बोलने वाले लोग हमारे यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, सुनने वाले लोग हमारे यहाँ कम हैं. तो हमने कैसे लोगों की अटेंशन अपनी तरफ डाइवर्ट करनी है? How can we get the attention of the people? You must know the trick. Okay. When you are introducing your topic, you have to use this very word. Firstly, I can say that I will begin by focusing new policies, and then I'll let you know that how can you get benefits from these policies. Firstly, secondly, thirdly, finally, lastly, we can use search words in our topic. I'll tell you about the policies, then I'll let you know about the beneficiary effects of this very policies on you. So the use of such words create a good effect on the listeners, and on your success graph or of your presentation will go high if you use good words in your presentation. Not the complicated word which can confuse the mind of other people, but those things which can look good in your presentation. After I can say that finally I will take your opinion as well regarding these policies, that what is going on in your mind. You can share with us as well. Now the listener will think that okay, it means that they can ask from me as well. I have to be attentive. I have to pay my full attention towards all this presentation, because at the end of the presentation I have to tell my viewpoints as well. So you are grabbing the attention of your listener. After that, um, those things in through which you can say that maybe your these policies, we have the assumption as well that these policies may have some problems as well. Now, how can we deal with these problems? You have to keep all these ideas in your mind. You must be fully prepared that these policies, if I am discussing, may have these problems as well. If somebody discuss me, if somebody asks me, I have to be fully prepared. And always one solution for one problem. Don't drag the matter. किसी चीज को खींचना अक्लमंदी नहीं है. जितना आसानी से एक प्रॉब्लम का एक सलूशन दे सकते हैं दे दें और उस चीज को खत्म करने की कोशिश करें. ओके, always you have one solution to one problem, and those things, those problems, are those issues which are common. You have to be fully focused on. You must be prepared all these points, and you have to come fully prepared. ये ना हो कि आप ये preparation, आपका confidence level high है, आपने ये सब चीजें माइंड में रखी, बट योर एजेंडा इज नॉट क्लियर टू यू. आपने अपना फुल होमवर्क नहीं किया उस पे. इट मीन्स कि ये सक्सेस का ग्राफ जो ऊपर जा रहा था नीचे भी आ सकता है, बिकॉज ये सब कुछ तो आपने कर लिया, आपने उसका होमवर्क नहीं किया. यू आर नॉट फुली प्रिपेयर्ड मीन्स प्रेजेंटेशन इज अनसक्सेसफुल. After that, another thing which is related to interesting facts, that you must know the policies you are discussing. After discussing the problems, and before, if somebody is not asking in your very presentation, you can say that yes, these from these policies you may have these problems, so I have all the solution of these problems as well. Okay, so you can discuss this very thing again. After that, come to some interesting facts. Interesting facts related to your policies, that how can they created very good impact, or they created the successful graph of any company. Give some examples. Okay, so you have to create a good scenario by giving some of the facts, interesting facts from your society, from your country, to give a boost to your policies. अगर आपने अपनी पॉलिसीज को इम्प्लीमेंट कराना है, उससे रिलेटेड आपने इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स भी लोगों को देने हैं, ताकि लोगों को पता चले कि these are not the hypothesis, assumptions. We have the full facts regarding all these things as well. Okay, after that we come to the last thing, and that very thing is also some examples from your own company as well. आप अपनी कंपनी से एग्जाम्पल्स दे सकते हैं कि हमारी कंपनी में, फॉर एग्जांपल एक स्कूल में हम प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे हैं, टीचर्स की प्रेजेंटेशन हो रही है, आपने किसी एक टीचर की एग्जांपल दी कि शी इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस वेरी पॉलिसीज, policy in our own institute, in our own organization, because she has done this thing. That's the reason कि her students get good score, or her class result is always highest among the school. तो हम इस तरह के facts और some examples of अपने colleagues में से, अपनी company में से भी दे सकते हैं to make our presentation more successful. So this were our points we discussed today, through which we may be able to give a successful presentation, a good presentation, and how can we give a good presentation. There were we discussed first of all the introduction. Again, I am telling you introduction of yourself, then introduction of the topic, the policies you are discussing. The third thing which you will discuss will be the interesting facts. And lastly, give some examples from your own organization as well. As I told you, you have the full homework regarding those policies which you are discussing. You must have that very confidence in yourself. Whenever you come, your body language must be confident. If you have some problem regarding the confidence issue, if you have lack of confidence, just keep in your mind, take a pen, a marker in your hands, okay, grab them, either move them, it will less your weaknesses, and it will give you a courage. Because most of us, if they hold anything in their hand, either they can close their fist, उससे क्या होता है कि आपके अंदर का कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप होता है. ओके, बहुत सारे लोग हम में से वो हैं कि जब प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए आते हैं तो उनके हाथ ठंडे हो जाते हैं. उसको उस चीज को ओवरकम करने के लिए जस्ट कीप योर हैंड इन योर साइड, either take a marker or pen in your hand and just go to deliver your presentation. Introduce yourself in a very effective manner, the first one thing. Then introduction of the topic to drag the attention of the listeners or the audiences. वो चीज़ें अपने टॉपिक में इंट्रोड्यूस कराएं जो लोगों के इंटरेस्ट में जा रही हों, ताकि वो आपको सुने और आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन जो है वो सक्सेसफुल हो. ये नहीं कि अगले जमाई ले रहे हैं या पेन से नीचे कोई ड्राइंग मार्क कर रहे हैं या उनको कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है कि आप क्या बोल रहे हो. तो इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ द लिसनर्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. कनेक्टिविटी मस्ट होनी चाहिए. जो पॉलिसीज आप डिस्कस कर रहे हैं सिर्फ वही पॉलिसीज डिस्कस करें, इधर उधर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. उन पॉलिसीज से रिलेटेड इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स उनके सामने लेकर आइए कि इन पॉलिसीज का हमारी दुनिया में, हमारे मुल्क में क्या असर हुआ है, कौन सी कंपनीज हैं जिन्होंने इन पॉलिसीज को लिया और आज वो बहुत ही उनसे फायदा उठा रही हैं. लास्टली अपने ही कोलीग्स की एग्जांपल दें कि आज वो क्यों सक्सेसफुल हैं, क्योंकि वो हमारे पास बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल हैं इन पॉलिसीज की जिनको हम अब इम्प्लीमेंट करने जा रहे हैं. ऑल्सो उनको इंगेज करिए. हमेशा यूज सिंपल लैंग्वेज, डायरेक्ट लैंग्वेज. डोंट यूज एब्रिवेशंस, don't use those phrases or idioms which can baffle the mind of other people. You should be clear, you should be simple, you should be focused. You must be a good speakers for those who are listening you. उनके प्रॉब्लम्स को लेकर चलें, वन सॉल्यूशन फॉर वन प्रॉब्लम, डोंट ड्रैग द मैटर एट ऑल and make your presentation a successful presentation. It's enough for today. Allah Hafiz.